Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Una good evening, my people. Now me and my brother come Stanley says also pudding. In fact, I really wonder. I surprised what happened today. Is Yamu really disappointed his followers? Anything say to do elections or to do debate na gra or na buffet. They ask him simple question. Is Yamu no answer one question from the beginning of the debate to the end? He was busy attacking and fighting Obaseki. Obaseki keep calm, they look calm. They explain what people want here. As we speak, Obaseki was not able to define or to explain the meaning of his simple agenda. That was an ample opportunity for him to sell his simple agenda to the people. Is a Yamu no fit sell his simple agenda. He only ended up making a hell of noise. Mr. Iseyamu, there is an information going around. This is an opportunity for you to clear the air relating to your activities while in school. Iseyamu ended up saying, Obaseki does not have results. Obaseki does not. Was that the question that they asked you? He said the records are there. I was a good student. You know, you need another lie to take care of the first lie. Now some of us quickly run, go YouTube. Go bring facts. Come out. Where is Iseyamu for openly confess to be a cultist? A member of pirate confraternity. I shared up before the debate group. I don't waste time. If you got my word now, you go see her. Iseyamu absolutely disappointed his followers. If you see some of your followers that they run come in, they go to write, oh, Iseyamu schooler. Then they give themselves hope. And those people, you be the judge. You watch the debate in totality. Ask yourself a simple question. How many questions Iseyamu answer for all? Iseyamu was not able to sell his simple agenda. All about the money, $1 million. Security vote, security vote, security vote. He wants to dive into the collective resources at all costs. Now that will be the question where they ask you. It is obvious that Iseyamu has nothing to offer. At all. He not get one single thing to offer. Now noise, he called the debate ground come make. I was even ashamed. A man that now truth, when Oshomole talk say, although he went to University of Benin to read law, he graduated, but he did. He's not a barrister. He graduated, he's not. See, understand what is a debate. A debate is not a war. Come and sell your idea. Drive home your point and sell your critical agenda. Provide a superior argument against your candidate. But instead, Iseyamu did not make a simple statement apart from attacking. And I was glad when Governor Obaseki maintained absolute mechanical accuracy. That is how to know an intellectual. He tell them, say, the truth is, you need to live your analog life. Come into the digital world. His school is a yamu in all areas. Is a yamu from the beginning of the debate to the end. Now attack on Obaseki. The question now is, now attack he plan to give Edo people if he become governor or now development. Is a yamu did not discuss about a simple agenda. Obaseki. That is to know how to know a desperate man that wants to get to power at all costs. Nothing to offer. Sorry to say, today now no say, to they speak English safe, not be the issue. The question is say, do you have something in your brain? If they put me and Ize Yamu together in the debate, believe me, I'll too use them. I don't where today. I won't even call them for ITV now. Make they put me and make they pay me and that together in one program before the elections. Make a loué. Nothing, no reasoning. The records are there. Was a good way. Perfect in student unionism. The question is it true that your father came to beg for you when you were rusticated in school? Is it true that you pour acid on your fellow student? He said, all you need to know is to go to ask the management of the school. They are there. Ask them. The next thing switch. Obaseki. Was that the question? Believe me, for those who follow up this debate, you will agree to the fact that Ize Yamu did not answer a single question. He went there to attack Obaseki. Whereas, and I love one thing what Obaseki do. Obaseki did not even bother himself to refute any allegation by Ize Yamu. Obaseki was busy driving home his point, telling the Edo people what they will expect in the next 4 years. $1 million. Amu Wuyigosha. A guy na like he go be. And that's why he like public resources. The security vote, now that money your day. He can't forget. Say na debate. Simple agenda is Amu no fit talk about that. Simple agenda. Where he saying get. Ize Yamu no fit talk about simple agenda. Ize Yamu was busy fighting Obaseki. Go and check the comment on Facebook for channels. They nearly finish up. They ask him a simple question. Ize Yamu went a wire. If they run come off for track, if they also Obaseki, he won't be written, he won't bring the guy image down. But the guy they look up. They tell the people say, this is what we're going to achieve. The truth is, Obaseki stated categorically clear, he will never allow lions and tigers to collect revenue in Edo State. See, today, I hail Obaseki. No sentiment at all. Tell friend truth, you know this poor friend. Talk him as he be. I hail Obaseki. Now, if you see in followers on social media, then they give themselves hope. But the hope they don't know say they don't lost. If they amu. They ask him simple question. Many numerous questions. Ize Yamu will be busy attacking Obaseki's policy. The next thing, he begin calculate the percentage where they put for modular refinery. Today, not fit criticize MOU. That you have collected the river basin, the oil basin, this the agriculture, society collected a billion, society collected a billion. Ize Yamu was not even aware that back backlogs of resources as debt was incurred by the Oshomole administration, which Obaseki have to pay to contractors. Oshomole borrowed it recklessly until then the state is servicing the debt. But then Obaseki as well provided infrastructure in 3 years, pay pensioners in 3 years, pay all the national standing bills in 3 years, then provide sustainable atmosphere for everyone to stay. They ask him a simple question. You came out with a simple agenda. Fine. How are you going to raise resources to fund your simple agenda? Owing to the fact that the post-COVID-19 era is a problem. Many countries plagued by it. Is a yamu wrong come for there? Obaseki. Now Obaseki, you want to do development if you become governor? Today, he shows say all the thing Oshomole talk na truth. Although he went to school to read law, but he's not a barrister. My father, who is the Esogba, was not there to beg for me in Lagos Law School. Where is your student service? 0. Student assessment 0. Where is your law school certificate? I battered someone with acid. They asked him a simple question. Did you actually batter somebody with acid? He said the records are there. The next is Obaseki. And you know what? Don't they brag for this debate? That is Obaseki they run for debate. A financial expert, a wise man, he did not go there to fight Izeyamu. Today Obaseki has proven to the world that is a complete gentleman. Obaseki has proven to the world that he is a complete gentleman. Izeyamu has been hungry to have access to the collective treasury of Edo people and to control the security votes. He was busy calculating the percentage of growth in the security vote. Izeyamu, how will you address the problem plaguing Edo? Izeyamu mamilita. Eni Obaseki ogati. Obaseki. Now, I know say Izeyamu no understand debate. And what debate? Me I don't tell una that time una dey forgive them. Make una dey forgive them. They don't know, but for the purpose of clarification or edification, make I give a layman definition of debate. When you talk about debate, you dey talk about the ability for you to drive home your point and to defend what you believe in as against the views and opinion of those in contention. That was why you see, I say, Obaseki from the beginning of the debate to the end, in order to attack Izeyamu, he was defending his government policy and telling the people what to expect in the anticipated future. But Izeyamu, on his part, was busy fighting. Operation must enter government house at all costs. This one not be attack. Now the truth, Edo people should be the judge. You are in the best position to be the judge. I want to ask a simple question. No sentiment. Did Izeyamu answer any question in that debate? Yes or no? Please, I want to get your response before I continue. Please, did Ize-Iyamu answer any question in that debate? Yes or no? Show your answer so that they will see they will know by themselves that they failed woefully. Now listen, the no's are coming in. No are coming in. Answer, see, you see, no's are on ground. No, 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 no. You see, one single question. He's busy parading lions and tiger to come and collect money for tickets. No idea. Not be to speak English. And when it comes to that English self, Obaseki is cooler. You need to see financial terms. You need to see technical terminology. You need to see intellectual mechanical accuracy. You need to see dispensation of intellectual prowess. You need to see capacity. Now, Edo people are responding. They are saying no. Ize-Iyamu got F9. No, F9. No single answer. He was busy attacking the governor while the governor was busy campaigning. Telling the people, this is what I will do. Ize-Iyamu was fighting the governor. The governor was busy following the principle of debate, which simply means driving home your points. All Ize-Iyamu knows how to do. If you give an opportunity just now, he will say, there is something that makes me come into your presence. Now that one would they talk. You carry Bible, take cover face. You are busy training lions and tiger. Your heart dark. Like kiwi polish. More than can listen to what the people they talk. They are saying Ize-Iyamu got F9. I challenge them to do a live video and ask the same question in their page. F9. Ize-Iyamu come begin to track himself. He ain't quite a debate I have for debate no green end. Obaseki see. Obaseki mo wegboto no yawa. Obaseki mo wegboto no yawa. Obaseki mo wegboto no yawa. Ize-Iyamu could actually. He dey drag in Zugu. They not quit. See, you know where a man that thinks that he knows it all will always fail. He not listen to his followers. He not give the chance maybe they advise him. He just want go there, believe say he too sabi. They not fit teacher. Say, my brother, when you get to debate, go and say your point. Allow Obaseki to be attacking you. Don't attack him. Tell them people what you can achieve. Show them the functionality of the simple agenda. My brother reached there. They say, enough even talk one of your thing. Now, that as of today, we can authoritatively conclude by saying that Ize-Iyamu's simple agenda is nothing but an attack on Obaseki. Ize-Iyamu's simple agenda is nothing but an illicit document designed to create attack dogs in Edo State. Not just Obaseki alone. As we speak today, Oshomole is regretting. Now, so as we talk, so Oshomole is busy regretting. We told him in the past that the problem in Edo is very kubaso. it will be difficult for a mere simple agenda to address it. It isn't a lie. An opportunity was given to Ize-Iyamu to defend and to estray more about his simple agenda on Agbokwe. He misused the opportunity. As of today, there is nothing like simple agenda, but rather an empty agenda. There is nothing like agenda, but rather an empty agenda. Now today Ize-Iyamu no say initial wadu. I tell you in the morning. Initial wadu. Initial gra. Stealing of dollars into Babariga. Or having a Supreme Court governor that is not even accepted in his own state. Moving military from one place to another is not a yardstick to measure capacity. Today, it is obvious that Edo is in safe hands. How can a man who claims to have an agenda come into a debate without saying a single word about this agenda, apart from monetary calculation? So billion come here, collected now, so billion, this 1 billion, that 1 billion. Oshiomhole incurred huge debt that did not even reflect in the DMO data, debt management of it, because there was huge amount of resources that was owed as far as contract activity is concerned in Edo State. Amani going to contractor. Ona do legal view, but as of today, Obaseki pays the backlogs of this money. He continues to service the debt created by Oshiomhole. He pays salaries, pensions at when due. Again, Ize-Iyamu said, no teacher in our school. But Ize-Iyamu is running here and there with his godfather, Oshiomhole. Oshiomhole was the governor of Edo State for 8 years. The question we are still asking, does it mean that the number of teachers employed by Oshiomhole have retired in 8 years? The number of teachers employed by Oshiomhole, have they retired in 8 years? Ize-Iyamu came back further to impoverish and to destroy the image of Oshiomhole indirectly. There is a video on that circulation where Ize-Iyamu's gangs concluded plans to deal with Oshiomhole if they eventually have access to Sadebe Avenue, which will never happen in Jesus' name. But today there is a clear reflection of that. He came out to say, today he quickly defend himself. He said, when they ask and say, are you an Agbo man? You being juice man? He said the results, this thing are there. Today it is clear. Go to Unibank, you can get the data. Today it is clear that all what they said about me have been proven to be lie. Who proved it that it is a lie? You carry Oshiomhole go court for 1 day. Now come on, let you post that interview and make you carry and go court. But you refuse to take Oshiomhole to court. Oamago Oshiomhole at court because he has a completed evidence to completely destroy you politically. You swallow and you bone. Why he was busy talking about his records in University of Benin, he forget to say, to remember, say, in go YouTube, go identify himself as a member of Pirate Confraternity. Not be me talking, I say, I'm talking about, say, he did YouTube. It is in YouTube. So the truth of the matter is this. I want to see Obaseki in the debate. I want him to come to debate. He wants a bit of debate. This one are the two debates. It's school you for the two. He school you for 2 debates. One at BBC Pidgin. Online. He school you. Channels organize debate. He school you again. They ask you simple question. You defect. Now you will see. Today you will know that governance is not only about noise making. If every person like Israel will be governor, he will jail everybody. Anybody that disagrees with him will go to jail. You can see his temperament in his action. No patience. They never ask a question. They say yes. He's waiting to attack. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Let's we ask question finish first, or God, he no agree. And who say Nando to say again answer to the question? Nobody knows an attack. They come ask. Twain was forced to say, answer the question. Answer the question. Oamagumegwa ho nikugaria. Oamagumegwa ho nikugaria. Oamagumegwa ho nikugaria. So mamegi settings ibona ikugaria. They are faith. Now let me quickly use this opportunity to send message to all our political lieutenants. Togba worldwide. Togbarians domesticated in Edo State. Our remobilizer from this night, make una not sleep on the house again. So you can see, me I not the house again. I not the fed the house like that. I'm in my hotel room. More than they sleep. As of now, they go look for a way to arrest. They will arrest you, put you for sale. They will come and bail you after election. They will come on their own to bail you. They will want grant you so that your mobilization you want mobilize, you know, see chance doing. Leave your houses. This is the time for us to make sacrifice to defend the do. So for those when I know say 3 days to election, 4 days to election, police must come my house. Now most they don't feel they come before. No way they don't see me. More than not waste time. I'm not there. I don't already come out. It was all that come yesterday night for day. No your brother. I don't come out. You get all. That's what I could put it for you. Now again, this one a message to those in the diaspora, our members worldwide. I think you see that call when you made before. When you tell your family, say come out and vote. From tomorrow, start that same call again. Then, next to the election, continue the call. Thank God, I said a big thank you to those Diaspora Connect worldwide. You have made provision for some logistic support in these elections. I will not announce that logistics, but the logistics will show itself in the election day. No cause for alarm. More will not brag. More will not tell them say we go beat them. More will not tell them say we go win them. We make sure say the result reflects itself. We're not ready for the elections. I beg more on orientation. Those who are on ground in Edo, leave your various houses. When they talk about federal might, when they tell you about federal might for election, matter you me. No matter how might go hard, rich, big rich, you can't manipulate results. Because we are going to escort the results from the voting point to the final stage. But before I continue to discuss about federal might, make I quickly thank my people and those in diaspora worldwide. As we speak, We do not need a dime from Obaseki to do what we're supposed to do. I am in an hotel room now, chilling. My one and not do. Now those in the diaspora and that become possible. So if you like, I spend 2 months for outside. We ready to do the election peacefully. So I thank you all. May God bless you all. And by the power of our ubiquitous God, let us not brag. You know, say I tell you from the beginning. I said the game be like football. As the referee blows to say, match start. They play. Not if they play you rough. If you fall, get up, try score. No say they don't play me rough, now maybe they wait. If you know hear whistle say free kick, play continue. If you know hear say it's over, continue till the final minute. Not say we go beat them. No. Assume say we not go beat them. Work and put more effort. And not go fear announce the logistics where the diaspora put on ground. But I will tell you the truth. Although our resources are limited, but for the area where the coordinator general to diaspora connect worldwide day, I not say for the world, I say for the area, we will be everywhere in Jesus' name. Let me leave it at that. May they don't go learn from us. Isaiah nothing give one single straight answer to any question. How will he give straight answer to the problem plaguing Edo? No way. He don't get single answer to give. I beg, I dey draw this one to una publicly. 2 assignments. And those in the diaspora, call your family. Call your friends. Starting from tomorrow. Call them again on Wednesday. Call them on Friday morning. Call them on Friday evening. Call them as early as 6 a.m. in the morning on Saturday. Call them as early as possible. In my language, second son, maybe I've tolerated you enough, I will now take my decision. Call them as early as possible. Tell them to go to the polling center. No quarrel, no crisis, nothing. In fact, one person will not die in this election. Forget those threats. Vote. Count your vote. Paste your result on the internet immediately. And by the power of God, by tomorrow, we are going to reach out to our people. And those in the diaspora, be rest assured that you are going to watch the election live, no matter where it is. Let me not say anything beyond that. But we'll take the election to your doorsteps. Ensure you call these people. They know they took earth for ground to mobilize. Use your strength, use your ability, use your power, use your competence. Use your competence. Make that call. The call I have told you tomorrow, Wednesday, Friday in the morning and in the evening, Saturday in the morning. Now we have, please share this video. Share this video. We have about 50,000 those in the diaspora supporting Obaseki. Just try to bring 6 of the persons or 5 from your side. I know some of you can bring 100. But let the minimum be 5. If you times 5 by 50,000, you know what you get. You will know what you get. Now, when the time reach for the elections, the results will be cleared. Now, let me tell you about federal minds. See where federal mind they work. In any elections, when you are in an opposition party outside the federal government, you are already leading with 20% because you control the army, you control the security agencies. How will they achieve their aim? As at this night, they are already writing frivolous petitions across security agencies, alleging innocent people of what they know nothing about, because they want to just hold you, keep you for the election. So, the only panacea to destabilize that plan, leave your house tonight. Leave your house tonight. If you are married, your wife should understand, say, you are playing politics. Explain to her, babe, give me 1 week plus. Like our wife can give us 6 months. Give me 1 week. More than Makwete, I tell you now. So now, because of say I don't talk her now, feel make them not come. But 3 days, 4 days to election, police must come. Now, so they be right from the one. Police must come. They must come. Me no. But I tell them now, say they should not just bother. I am not a crime syndicate. I have never engaged myself in any frivolous activities. We know say elections now so it be. I won't blame them. When there are petitions, it is their responsibility to act. But certainly, we know the secret behind federal mind. Wapaware, lieutenant, intellectuals, remobilizers, the Oduma kitties, leave your residence. Leave. If you are an Obaseki supporter, leave. Today. If you be done, go inside your room, go sleep. Come out. Come out. Now. So don't worry yourself about me, please. Don't bother. God, by the power of God Almighty, we will do in the elections, and by the power of God Almighty, the result will speak positive. Then the verse was Sakunokodi. Today, one guy see me. Now my very close friend. He said, you come, you see me, your daughter will see you. I say, how far? He say, if you not lose this election, may go you entirely cut and confine you. Now say the truth of the matter be say, no worry, we know if you lose. We know if you lose. Let me tell you the truth. Yamu people, they are ashamed of themselves as we speak. Shame they catch them. Egwena yaoyi obiouho. They go say, but we want to make debate. Why is he running for debate? Why he came there and he schooled you. He came there and he schooled your candidate. Your candidate was there fighting instead of driving home his point. Oredo man, he said, I just did my hotel. Na so. Na so. The busting, when they bust, they start 4 days to election. Those how they bust each other as they go for houses. But the truth is, we don't first do election for Isa federal merit. We don't first do election for Isa non-federal merit. To me, experience is a hard teacher. Some people say experience is a great teacher. No, to me, experience is a hard teacher. It teaches you the consequences before the actual actions, or the consequences of every action. When you pour out for something, the thing hurts you. You go learn the hard way. Experience is a hard teacher. It teaches you the consequences of every action. So we already know. Money misroad self, not mine. They go to also people they go for street. We know. But money misroad and them all we fail. As they take fail for debate, that's what they'll take fail for election. Edo can never go back to Egypt. We cannot go back to Egypt. Today, Obaseki has been able to prove beyond reasonable doubt that he's real a financial expert. Shame. Today I received a call from one of my brother, a member of Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide. He said, comrade, I am in town. Tomorrow me and I go see. And we go take pictures. We go strategize together. See, Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide. On our work. Edo's in the diaspora. On our work. To be a coordinator general. When he be saying that maybe the smallest for Isaiah Olofuna. Oh my senior. Not be tree near tree. Not be make monkey the feet jump from tree to tree. Now stand for front. Now make me the assume now the young who be me on the normal level. So when Obama rotier Eric Kanaba na confirm. Na confirm. So today I am proud. I feel fulfilled because of the overwhelming support. I want to tell you now. I tell you, say mechanism has been put in place. My one that are not there. Na Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide. Those in the diaspora. Now they make provision for all those things. My own are just individual efforts. After they provide the logistics, I go act and manage the logistics. So when you want to give accolade, when you want to praise, when you want to hail, when you want to greet, don't greet Osahwenokwodi. Don't praise Osahwenokwodi. Praise those who made it possible. And who are those who made it possible? One, our ubiquitous God will give them the ability to make the resources where them take care of this situation. And two, praise them will make them available, because if they choose not to concern themselves about the election, you can't beat them. So when you want to hail anybody, before you say, oh, sir, we're not worthy, in a man you be, hail those who made it possible. Because if these things are not possible, I cannot be here to do what is expected. This early morning, I went to go and show Obaseki's project. I show up. The question is, did I went there on my own? No. Show those projects for them to see. Now people now for the motor. Now people now make everything work. So those in the diaspora, those diaspora connect worldwide, I say a very big thank you to you all. And I pray by the power of God, we are going to elevate Edo from the realm of subjectivity down to the realm of objectivity. POI and the supporters, Mona go hide on their face in shame. The debate when the fight for since they don't come and go. Obaseki does cool now. Thank you very much for listening to me. It's me, your brother, your friend. I remain my humble self, your noble right activist. Come Restanius as us up with a hoodie. I be a small boy, you. And I just small boy I be. Forget say I be man. People when they listen to me now, many pass me times 100. Now some me still pass some. But whichever way, humility is important. Mona go tell you say you may learn how to humble himself and may reduce the temperament. Election not be war. The desperation to the show for your face. Now make Obaseki school up. Good night and have a lovely night rest. Osakwonokwodi once again. For those who intend reaching me, the number still remain 070-3610-9939. I repeat, 070-3610-9939. I repeat, 070-3610-9939. Bye for now. Osakwonokwodi in the building. Continue to pray. And don't forget, call your people. This one is for those in the diaspora. Call your people. Call your people. Thank you and goodbye.